very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is power of perception, sixth sense or nature's exceptional gift to mankind. Ladies and gentlemen, perception is the human mind's ability to understand, interpret, and connect with the world around and beyond us. It is not confined to the five senses of sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell, but it extends into intuition, imagination, and even a profound connection with the cosmos. Perception bridges the gap between external stimuli and internal understanding, shaping how we experience life. Is it a sixth sense or nature's exceptional gift to humanity? This question has fascinated philosophers, scientists, and spiritual seekers for centuries. By exploring its scientific and philosophical dimension, we can uncover its profound influence on human potential and its promise for a better future. Let us look at the definition of perception and the depth of this definition. Perception is the process by which the brain interprets signals from the senses, making sense of the physical world. For instance, the sound of a familiar voice might evoke comfort, while the scent of baking cookies can transport us to cherished childhood memories. Yet, perception extends far beyond physical sensations. It allows us to intuitively sense opportunities or risks, read emotions, and connect deeply with others. Throughout history, perception has guided extraordinary decision-making. Albert Einstein, for example, perceived patterns in the universe that were invisible to others, leading to groundbreaking theories of relativity. Similarly, Helen Keller, despite facing sensory challenges, relied on heightened perception through touch and intuition to connect with the world and inspire generations. On a broader level, perception has also been described as a bridge to the metaphysical. Great thinkers such as Mahatma Gandhi used their deep perception of human nature and social dynamics to achieve profound change without violence. Indigenous cultures too have long practiced heightened awareness to connect with nature, navigating forests or oceans with an almost intuitive grasp of their surroundings. Let us look at this scientific insight into perception. From a scientific perspective, perception is an extraordinary cognitive process. The brain, despite weighing only about 2% of body mass, uses 20% of the body's energy, largely for processing sensory inputs and coordinating responses. It can process visual information in as little as 13 milliseconds, a capability demonstrated in studies by MIT neuroscientists. This speed highlights the brain's immense efficiency in combining instant sensory data with stored knowledge to make rapid, contextually relevant decisions. Further, the brain operates like a vast neural network with an estimated 86 billion neurons and trillions of synapses working together to integrate, analyze, and respond to inputs. This capacity enables humans to recognize patterns, adapt to new information, and anticipate outcomes. The Journal of Neuroscience highlights that the human brain processes over 11 million bits of information per second, yet consciously engages with only about 40. This extraordinary filtering mechanism allows for the emergence of intuition, often referred to as the gut feeling, which is grounded in the brain's rapid subconscious processing of past experiences and current stimuli. Perception also includes phenomena like synesthesia, a condition where some individuals experience a blending of senses. For instance, they may hear colors as sounds trigger specific visual impressions, or taste shapes where certain flavors evoke geometric sensations. While rare, occurring in about 4% of the population, synesthesia demonstrates the mind's ability to link senses in extraordinary ways, revealing how perception transcends ordinary boundaries. Medical science further underscores perception's power. Individuals with visual impairments, for instance, often develop heightened tactile and auditory perception due to neuroplasticity, where the brain adapts by strengthening remaining senses. Similarly, advancements in neuroimaging have uncovered mirror neurons, which enable empathy by allowing individuals to feel another's emotional or physical state, thus blurring the lines between personal experience and shared reality. Medical science also offers insights into the pitfalls of perception. Cognitive biases such as confirmation bias or the availability heuristic reveal how perception can be skewed by pre-existing beliefs or limited data. In conditions like schizophrenia, altered perception creates a dissonance between reality and the mind's interpretation, emphasizing the delicate balance required for accurate perception. How the power of perception can be cultivated is a question. The beauty of perception lies in its potential for growth. First, mindfulness and meditation. These practices refine sensory awareness and focus, enhancing mental clarity. Second is learning from nature. Observing the natural world hones observation skills and fosters harmony with the environment. Third, expanding experiences, exploring new cultures, ideas, and environments broadens cognitive abilities and enriches perception. And the fourth, empathy building, actively engaging with diverse perspectives sharpens emotional and social perception. By nurturing perception, individuals can heighten their intuition, deepen their understanding, and unlock their profound insights into themselves and the world. What's the way forward? Uniting science and philosophy is the way. The power of perception lies in its duality. It is both a scientific function and a philosophical wonder. It enables us to grasp immediate realities while also connecting with the universe's greater mysteries. Imagine a world where this gift is fully realized, like leaders making wise decisions rooted in empathy, individuals creating stronger bonds, and societies working together in harmony. Bridging the scientific and philosophical dimensions of perception can inspire humanity to use this gift for progress and unity. Understanding and enhancing human perception could unlock new horizons in personal development, education, and in technology. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, perception is the gateway to understanding, the lens through which life is interpreted, connections are formed, and the unseen is envisioned. By cultivating this extraordinary gift, humanity can deepen empathy, elevate consciousness, and inspire a collective sense of purpose. Embracing the power of perception as a force for enlightenment and transformation can guide societies towards a more harmonious and compassionate world, one that values understanding, unity, and the boundless potential of the human spirit. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.